Dear students, in this video we are going to learn the different parts of a flower. The flower has four main parts. They are the sepals, petals, stamens and carpel. The flower is attached to the stem by a stalk called pedicel. The whorls or the circular arrangement of the different layers in a flower are arranged on a swollen part above the pedicel, that is called thalamus or receptacle. The sepals, they are the green protective part of the flower. The sepals protect the flower in the bud stage. Inside the sepals there are petals. The petals are the colored part of the flower. The petals attract insects for pollination. There are different beautifully colored flowers all over the world. There are millions of flowers having different colors, sizes, shades, etc. Now students, the male part of the flower, that is called the stamen. A stamen consists of a small structure that is called the anther. Anther is attached to a fiber like a stalk that is attached to the flower, that is called the filament. We can say that the stamen contains anther and filament. In the anther, pollen grains are found. These pollen grains during pollination fall on the stigma of the flowers, and these pollen grains go to the male gamete present in the pollen grains, go to the ovary and fuses with the ovule. Now students, the female part of the flower, that is called the pistil or carpel. It has three parts. The pistil or carpel has three parts. The lowermost swollen part, that is called the ovary. Then the stalk-like structure, that is the style, and the upper portion is called the stigma. So these are the three parts of the carpel. Inside the ovary there are compartments in which ovules are found. These compartments are called locules. The ovules after fertilization changes into the fertilized ovules. They are the soft seeds and ripened seeds. They develop into mature seeds. The ovules develop into seeds. Ovary develops into fruit. Students, there are bisexual and unisexual flowers. In the bisexual flowers, male and female parts are present in the same flower. In this diagram that we are seeing, that is a bisexual flower, because in this stamens are there and also the carpel or the pistil is also present. So it is a bisexual flower. For example, the mustard flower and the hibiscus flower. These are bisexual flowers. Now children, the unisexual flowers, in which the male and female flowers are separate. Male flower will be having the sepals, petals and stamens. Female flower have the pistil, the sepals and petals. In these flowers, male and female parts are found in different flowers. For example, the flowers of pumpkin, the first one, that is the male flower, the second one in which you can see a small pumpkin, that is the ovary of this pistil. So that is the female flower of the pumpkin. In this diagram you can see the male and female flowers of the bottle gourd, that is the gilki. In gilki, the male flower having stamens and female flower that is having the carpel or the pistil. That means the female flower is having the ovary, style and stigma, not containing any stamens. Here you can see the stamens in the male flower, and children, the female flower in this you can see it is the ovary of the female flower. We can see very clearly it develops into the pumpkin or a cucumber or like that, or a bitter gourd like that. It is developing into a particular vegetable or a particular fruit. So students, these are the different types of flowers and we studied the structure of flowers. I hope you understood. Thank you.